Hey, welcome back to Hashtag Straight Poop. Thanks for joining us again. My Shelties love having you here. Hey, we're going right into the kitchen. No sense in talking nonsense and, blowing up the show with talk. We'll talk in the kitchen. Join us.
Hey guys, welcome back to Hashtag Straight Poop. Wasn't going to bore you with this gory details of putting hot water in couscous to make tabbouleh. Okay? And I'm mixing up some cherry tomatoes I had macerating in cannabis oil and a little bit of vinegar. Okay? And I included the juices. So, we're doing this. And I need to get some parsley. Oh yeah, got some chopped parsley there. The parsley, man, is really good, okay? And this is just curly parsley, not flat leaf or cilantro or anything like that, okay? And we're just mixing it in with the leftover tomato juice that was in there, with the cannabis oil, a little bit of vinegar, okay? So I got the parsley, and I got more cannabis oil here. It's triple filtered, like I filter some, or triple, sieved, and then through a coffee strainer. So we got that. Now I got my spices, okay? Got some oregano, dry. I've got cumin. I've got pine nuts. I got salt and pepper. And I got some KIEF. And I'm mixing all that up. And to even make it better, I'm getting out my juicer. Squeeze half a lemon in there. No way. Get no seeds, Jim. Yeah. This is great. And this is simple, man. You'll notice some of the things I do are simple. Even the barbecue stuff. When I break it down into simple English, and when I talk about grass, you see my face. Nothing bothers me more than some guys who think they're part of the cartel. And you're talking about cooking with weed, but they're wearing a baseball hat and a bandana over their face and sunglasses. Like, you're tough guys. They're thugs. No, man, you're idiots. Don't embarrass yourself, really. No one wish you knew what I knew. But it's another story for a different day. But yeah, what are you hiding from, man? I never hid when I talked about pot, and I've taken bloody noses and black eyes from Cook County Sheriff's Police. So, I don't know what you're hiding from, bud.
But yeah, people have to hide because they think they're self-important. That's okay. Anyway, I got this and I'm going to put it on this very nice platter or bowl. And I'm not a very good food stylist, but you get the idea. And that's our tabbouleh. Simple, easy, refreshing with the parsley and the lemon. Hey, make sure you grab our free e-cookbook. 125 BarBeQue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. And it's free from me to you. You've seen the graphics, just go to the comment section, go to the top, and you will see a link. Just click on that. You'll have the cookbook in your email box in about 2 seconds. Okay, so my dog's loving it here on Hashtag Straight Poop. We'll see you next time. If you're waiting for me, you're loafing. We'll see ya.